Hi, and welcome to the Kitchen Gizmo Workshop, where I present to you our newest innovative kitchen product that makes your cooking and entertaining experience easier and more fun. Today, I'm excited to tell you about a product that will definitely change the way you prepare your meals: the Kitchen Gizmo Sous Vide Machine. Now, if you're not familiar with sous vide, it's a method of food preparation that cooks food in a very unique way. It works by clamping onto any pot or even a container with water. Inside this is a powerful and precise heating element that heats up the water, and then the water gets circulated through this hole. What this does is ensure your food gets cooked evenly and to perfection. You'll see the LED screen light up with the temperature measured in Fahrenheit, and below that is the timer display. The accuracy of the temperature and timing settings ensure that the food never gets over or underdone. If you need to work in Celsius, simply press and hold the power button for 3 seconds. The sleek scroll wheel is used to change settings, such as the temperature and time. This sous vide appliance is well made, with a great feeling ergonomic grip. There's also a safety feature that when there's no water, it turns off automatically. The sleek Gizmo Sous Vide Machine comes with both a cooking guide filled with fantastic recipes and a temperature guide. Available in red, gray, and blue, this is a fantastic addition to your kitchen that will forever change the way you view a home-cooked meal. I'm Holly with the Kitchen Gizmo Sous Vide Machine. Join us next time for another fantastic, innovative kitchen product.
Thank you for watching our sensual video. Subscribe and leave a like. Find the link in the description and visit our deliverygadget.com website